Whoa, good job. Whoa, can you bounce on it?
No.
Yay. Whoa. Yay, Ella. Look at you bounce, kiddo. Yay, girls. Whoa. Ouch, you hurt Oscar's foot, I think. Give Oscar a kiss. Oh, Mary, hug Oscar. Can you hug Oscar? Oh, good boy, Oscar. Oh, you're making Oscar happy.
Big teeth.
He's got big teeth, yeah. Oh, good boy, Oscar. Good boy. Isn't he a good boy? Oh.
Funny. Funny.
Yeah.
Big teeth.
He's got funny big teeth.
I do not like them here or there.
Ah!
I do not like them anywhere. Would you?
No.
No? What did she say, Sam?
Something about Sam, yeah.
Hey.
Hi. Hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Yeah.
Whoa. Jeez.
Puppy.
Wow, it's a puppy.
Hello.